now 9:37 in the morning, and it's time to get up. Some people who watched my day in the life of a Belgian university student vlog might already know that something I do every morning is drink either hot ginger lemon tea, or I have some lemon juice and lemon water in the morning. I add always some ice cubes to make it nice and refreshing, and then just cut a lemon and squeeze it with my hands preferably into a cup before adding some water. I love to drink this in the morning because it just helps me feel refreshed and get my stomach ready for some food, you could say. And also it's a really great way to stimulate your metabolism in the morning. Okay, first and foremost we need our jar, and I found my stainless steel spool by Topeka. That probably doesn't focus. No, anyways, these aluminium or like stainless steel spoons are really damn good, and it's good for nature as well. Lemon water again. I love to drink that on an empty stomach. It just helps me wake up and feel refreshed, you could say. So here I have my frozen bananas. They're very ripe. Oh, they're actually not that frozen. I froze them only yesterday night. This is about 1.5 bananas, so I'll put in 1 banana. More or less like this. Get sticky hands. I don't really have a set smoothie recipe. I just put in whatever I'm feeling like having that day in, and what's available, more importantly. Today I had a smoothie with banana, and I added spinach to have some greens inside, and also apple. And on top of that I add Topeka's amino acids, branched amino acids, and some matcha powder, as well as hemp seeds, which are a great source of fatty acids and protein. And then of course my almond milk, because I just love almond milk. And yeah, when you've put all your ingredients inside, you can personalize it however you want. Just blend it and then it's ready to go. Time for the magic. I hope it fits in completely. Oh, look at that. Looks so damn good. Just a bit too much. My mom is about to wake up soon too, my Japanese mom. So I'll give that to her probably. Wow. Time for breakfast. After breakfast I usually get ready for the day. Today I was planning to go out a little bit, so I just put on some basic makeup. I don't always do that, but today I felt like doing my makeup, so that's why I did it. And usually I also do my makeup downstairs in the bathroom, but it's hard to film and do your makeup at the same time in the bathroom, so I did it in the living room today. Okay everybody, this is like the finished look. It's a little bit minimal makeup. I'm not wearing any foundation or powder or anything, just the basics: mascara, concealer, a little bit of eyeshadow, lip balm in my eyebrows. But yeah, I'm just going to finish my breakfast first. It's already half gone. It looks so thick, but it's actually not that thick at all. It's just watery. I really like it. It turned out really well. I thought it would be a bit too sweet, but since I added the matcha, it balanced the sweetness and the bitterness very well, so it's actually just perfect. My boyfriend already went to work, but he will be back in a couple of hours. Yeah, and for the afternoon there's so much things planned, so definitely stay tuned. One of the most important things I had to take care of today was some paperwork for my Japanese language school. I finished Japanese language school a few days ago, and because of the coronavirus, they decided to not hold the graduation ceremony. Instead, I had to fill out some paperwork by hand and send it to them through an email, and afterwards I decided also to write a letter. And yes, some people do write letters too. I think it's really nice to be able to read letters back that you've gotten from a special person later in life, or like a while afterwards. So that's what I did for a while after breakfast.
Okay, so I'm still in my blanket cape because it's actually quite cold outside, like 15 degrees, so it's quite chilly if your house doesn't really have central heating like houses don't have here in Japan mostly. And the only thing I have left to do now before I go to eat lunch is making my lesson plan for tomorrow. I am working part-time at an English fitness school for children, you could say, where we teach little children, or like also a little bit older children already, English and sports at the same time, because physical activity has a really good effect on your brain. It makes you remember stuff more easily and your brain work more efficiently. So yeah, based on that kind of science or information, we are teaching children English, and every week our lesson plan is different a little bit, and I'm going to make one for tomorrow. But yeah, okay, so that was a really long explanation. I hope you're still here. But yeah, let's go make our lesson plan first. And then it's lunchtime finally, because this girl is hungry. It's 10 before 1 now, and I had my breakfast around 10:15 maybe. So it hasn't been that long, but I get hungry quickly. This girl is hungry.
I always like writing down my entire lesson plan on a piece of paper because it really helps me remember everything. Usually during my classes we do some songs first to warm up, and after that we practice English. We have a big board with weather things on it and colors. We also use flashcards and practice some kind of role plays, and then afterwards we do games and a circuit, which is mostly sports. And yeah, as you can see, we did like some kind of warm-up routine. We did rolls and throw the ball, and also climbing actually this week.
Lunchtime! Chef Shin is already making carbonara, right?
Yes.
Ish.
I'm going to make the soup carbonara.
Soup carbonara. It might become poisonous, we don't know. You're welcome. No, she made dinner last night and it was really tasty actually. He's becoming a cook, like how do you say that? A kitchen prince. Yes. That's all of our frozen food. Yes, me too. I'm going to get my hidden food. Because if you don't hide food here, it will be gone really soon. Right? With the ice cream.
Yes.
So here I hid the pasta I wanted to eat. It's actually also carbonara, but with horenzo, with spinach. That's already second time I'm eating spinach today. Can't be too healthy, right? And it's actually not that healthy to eat frozen food every time, but I don't eat this every day, so it's fine. At least that's what I'm telling myself. It's really easy to make. Okay, so this is my delicious looking spinach carbonara. It's damn hot, which I'm going to eat while watching a Chinese drama. So I need some time to eat this by myself, so see you soon. Time to depart for the grocery shopping today. Our fridge is mostly empty, especially the veggie and fruit part. So now my boyfriend's brother, younger brother Shin, is going to drive us me and my grandma to the grocery store nearby, where we usually always buy our fruits and veggies and do a kind of shopping haul. No one is really panic buying here in Japan anymore, except for like toilet and tissues for a while. But so everything is available. You don't have to buy massive loads of food or stock up or pile up a lot. So that's really great. We don't have to worry that much about it.
Sorry for having to do a voiceover for this shopping part, but it was super loud and busy, so it was not the best sound, you could say. Yeah, I just quickly wanted to show you the kind of vegetables they sell in Japan. Recently there have been runner beans actually, and that's very rare. You don't see that often, so I bought a few. I really love eating them. We also have lots of eggplant, of zucchini. Yeah, we have cabbages, daikon, like a radish. I'm not a big fan of it, unfortunately. A little bit incomprehensible to most Japanese people, but yeah, I can't help it. We also have turnips, which I love as well. It calls kabu, I think. Yes, and this is the meat I wanted to buy today. I don't like fatty meat, and this is perfect meat for me to put into sukiyaki, which it was our dinner tonight, and it's actually going to be so delicious. And what I also needed was frozen fruit for my smoothies, because I drink smoothies a couple of times per week, and in winter we didn't really use a lot of frozen fruit at all, so I needed to stock up on some since spring finally arrived.
The end result of our shopping.
安くて美味しいやつ。
Back from grocery shopping now, and oh my gosh, I'm sorry I couldn't really show you much inside, but damn, there is so many people. I think it's probably because it's Shunbun no Hi today, some kind of day of spring, the first day of spring, and it's a national holiday, which I hadn't thought about before. Yeah, so that's probably why there were so many people. But let me quickly show you what we got. We've got 4 really big bags. This one is pretty much all fruit. This is some meat, soy milk and other beverages. Then we have vegetables and other stuff here. Yeah, so really a lot. It's for 1 week's worth of groceries, I think, right? Yes, and it was 6,000 yen-ish, so it's about 48 euros. So it's not cheap, but it's also not expensive. Yes, let's go put everything in.
2 hours later.
Okay, wow, I'm so out of breath. That last part of my run was really tough, uphill. Even still now I'm uphill. And the wind was not working with me, but against me. But yeah, how did I run today? Let me see. Okay, 4.5 kilometers. It's not bad. Also not great, but decent. I'm going to walk the rest of the distance home and cool down because I have dinner duty tonight. I have to cook. So let's go back home. Okay, so this is the dinner I prepared. It looks maybe not that great, but it's damn delicious, I hope at least. It's konjac noodles, which is made from some kind of plant in the sea. We have a lot of veggies. We have carrot, we have sweet potato, mushrooms, cabbage. Wow, okay, it's fogging up. We have tofu inside and leek and thinly sliced beef. I mixed it up because it was a bit too salty and we had to add a bit more sugar to it. And later on we'll add this thinly sliced beef as well. Papa いる?
いらん。お花火。
最初にさ醤油入れすぎて、しんのいろいろも食べてみて、まあ いつものすき焼きの味とちょっと違うね。目の味してなかったけど違ったから、マミのところにいて、でマミに食べてみてもらった。マミはしょっぱいしょっぱいこういう顔した。ちょっと濃いね、味が。
経験でなんか水入れて、
水入れたらいい。
ちょっと
マミが水入れたらあかんと言った。ダメかやっぱり。ああでもさっとめっちゃ入れた。
野菜を入れたら多分。这个应该不能换。
Okay, so as you can see, we're now finally back where we started during this vlog in my bed, my really wonderful, not so wonderful actually, bed since it's quite hot. Yeah, I stopped the recorder, the video, the camera sometime during dinner because we were just like enjoying our dinner and having some small talk and talking about our day and everything. Dinner was really good actually, it turned out amazing. And yeah, after that I quickly went to wash up because I was damn cold. I was freezing. After my run I didn't have the time to immediately wash up. I like cooked dinner, then we had dinner, so I got super cold, and then I washed up in the bathroom. I took a bath and we watched 2 movies actually with everyone. I'm just going to watch a little bit of my Chinese drama that I'm following because yeah, I wasn't particularly interested in the movie, so yeah, I just wanted to relax a bit upstairs and lie down. I don't know what it is lately, maybe it's the change of the season, but I'm damn tired and I have never had allergies like seasonal allergies, like hay fever before, but since a few days I feel like my nose is blocked a little bit and I wake up with a little bit of a sore throat and I'm really tired. And even today I was a bit dizzy as well, so I was like, what's this, so strange. And I have been at home for most of the time, so it's not like I came into contact with many people, but yeah, I don't feel sick, just a bit tired. I'll be going to sleep now really soon. And yeah, it was a busy day, but it was a productive day at home. I hope you guys enjoyed this real day in the life of a foreigner in Japan video. If you liked it, then please give me a big thumbs up. I would really like that a lot. And please leave me a comment down below, anything you thought, your recommendations, questions, anything what comes to mind, just write it down below. I'll be happy to read it. And also please kindly consider, I always say this wrong, please kindly consider subscribing because it will really help my channel out a lot. Thank you again and have a good night. Good night. I love Japanese technology. I have a recorder. How do you call this? I have a remote control for the lights, so I can do ta-da! Amazing.